Hello, hello, hello. I am Dr. Liz Blanding, ND. I am a naturopathic wellness coach and I am the founder of Oasis Wellness Centers and Academy. I'm also a published author of It's Smoothie Time. What I want to just talk to you just a little bit about in this welcome message is just to let you know what my specialty is. I help menopausal women manage insomnia with herbs and live their best life or get back to living their best life. I also help with hormonal imbalances so that we can have better sex because, hey, I don't know what the issue is or why it's such a taboo to talk about menopause and the issues that we incur or encounter when we go through menopause. However, I went about debunking that it's such this big old monster that just because we hit, 55 or better, some at 45 perimenopause, that we have to just suffer because the doctor hit us on the butt when we were a baby and called us a girl, right? Or said it's a girl. So I just went about debunking that we actually have to suffer because of that. We can manage all of the symptoms and side effects, but first of all, we need to know what our choices are. And so if you choose the natural route, this program is designed to help you to click on whichever one of your side effects and give you a recommendation for it. So the if you're going through the insomnia is the big one. That's why I wanted to hone in on insomnia, because when you can't sleep, everything else is out of balance. Your body can't go into the REM sleep and give you what you actually need to be able to just rest and reset. So let me tell you what you're going to get. You're going to get information on about 40 plus side effects. Now, you may not incur all of them at one time. Quick story. When I was finishing up the final edits of my book, it got really hot. And it didn't just get hot because my publisher put those deadlines on me, but it got hot because my hormones were out of balance and I didn't know how to put them back in balance without I didn't want any of the hormone replacement therapies or treatments. I didn't want any of the traditional medicines or anything like that because I've always been terrified of the side effects. I was one that listened and read the side effects. So for me, the natural route was better. Now, it's a choice. Chocolate or vanilla, it's just a different experience, whether you're doing traditional medicines or whether you want to do the natural remedies or recommendations. So when you're going into this course, you're going to learn about insomnia. You're going to learn about, and when I say you're going to learn about these side effects or symptoms, but you're also going to learn about the natural recommendations for them. So insomnia, hormonal imbalance, hot flashes, anxiety, mood swings, fog brain, concentration issues, sexual changes, and that's a big one. Sexual changes, indigestion, bloating, headaches, weight gain, dry mouth was a big one for me. So I'm going to stop there. Because like I said, over 40 plus signs or symptoms of menopause. But when you know that you're in full-blown menopause, just know that you can strangle the menopausal monster and manage it. But one of the biggies is to make sure that you're hydrating yourself and that you're drinking at least 128 ounces a day. I'll fall short on some of those days, but making sure that you get as close to that mark as possible. We teach you about apps to help you do that. There's a mouth rinse that we talk about. I created a mouth rinse because dry mouth was so horrific for me that it hurt to even eat. So I created a natural mouthwash. Have a soothing salve, and the soothing salve will help you when you have those electrical shocks, currents going through your legs, or when you have aches and pains and soreness in your body, because you are going to have soreness in your body, because guess what? We need to grab us a band and we need to use it. We need to stretch, because when we sit in a certain position, our body tends to go in that position. And I know I'm going into teaching right now because I want to just let you know or impress upon you that as you go through the menopausal stage, you are not alone. And there is ways for you to manage, whether it's insomnia, whether it's dry mouth, whether it's hormonal differences or changes, whatever those issues are, you can manage it with herbs. And that's what this program is designed to do. And at the bottom of this, at the end of the lesson, you're going to get a summary of everything that we talked about. But you just go in and you click. Once you're in the member vault, you're going to click on which one of your side effects or symptoms that you're having, and boom, there's the answer for you if you're going to go the natural route. So I just welcome you to our community. You have a community of support that truly care about you. So I welcome you, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside of the course.